Hi, my name is Mark Patterson. I'm the Business Development Manager for Cobots here at SCHUNK USA, and today we're at our headquarters inside of our tech center, and we're going to talk about collaborative gripping. Many manufacturers today are deploying more cobots than ever. Why? In order to supplement their workforce, but more importantly, to increase their production quickly and effectively. So what does that look like, right? Cobots and humans in a factory together. Sometimes cobots and humans don't share any space, but sometimes cobots and humans have to work hand in hand, almost in direct contact, touching each other or being in each other's space. And that brings in a lot of concerns about safety, and we're going to address some of those concerns today. Let's take a look at some of our collaborative grippers, our Coact EGPC series. So the Coact series comes in a variety of different sizes and styles of grippers, but we're going to focus in on one style today, a parallel gripper. So this safe gripper, this collaborative gripper, comes in 4 sizes. And what's nice about them is that they are safe. They have a rounded body to them, so they're not sharp on the corners, so you can really grab it with your hand if you need to guide the robot into a certain position. Other nice features and other nice reasons why these are great for deploying your cobot quickly and effectively is that they're plug and play, right? So they come with the adapter plate that mounts to it, and they bolt right in, and then they bolt into the tool flange as well. Most of our Coact series grippers come with software plugins for the cobot or for the robot so that you can actuate them and get them started in programming almost immediately. So no matter what Coact series you choose, you're going to get a reliable gripper for your application. Whether you need it to go 10 million cycles or you need it to go 50 million cycles, you're going to get the industry-proven reliability that SCHUNK has to offer in all of our grippers. This one is just a little bit safer. It's simple, fast, and proven. Thanks for watching, and check out the rest of our videos.